So guys, let's open our VLC player. Now to update VLC player, go to help, then from the drop down check for updates. As you can see, we have an update available 3.0.14. Press on yes to download. This may take some time. So our download is done and it's asking for us to close the VLC player and install it. But if we press on install, sometime the VLC player will not close and there will be no update. So how to fix it? Go to search for run. Now type %temp, close it with another %, press on enter. Go to the top right corner, search for VLC. See, here we have our VLC installation file. Right click, run as admin, press on next, update VLC. And if somehow you have this error box, just ignore it. And we are done. Let's check the version 3.0.14, and that's all. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.